Okay, first we'll do some basic repair. I already repaired the key fob, and need to unlock it. And then my repair for today, just a simple one, is to replace the hood struts, because when I open it I need to have a stick. We're gonna open the hood. And yep, it's flimsy. Yep, I need something to hold it. Both of the struts are bad, and I think this cover, yeah, I'll probably find a replacement for this one too, but it's not a big deal. Okay, so I got this 2x1, which is an exact fit. So we're gonna release tension here. Yep, and we're just gonna pry it out. Same thing with this upper one. Just put it in the slot. Just enough for it to be loose. And that's it. And then we'll put the replacement one in. So replacement one in. You don't need to loosen it, just insert it into this socket. Yep, it'll just go in. And this one, I think it came down a little bit. You cannot do it with one by one. It's already secure. You just press it in and it should lock up. Now time for this one. Yep. And this one. Yep. Open the replacement. Yep. There you go. Take out this one, and now I'm in good shape. Yep, so when I'm trying to work on the car, the hood stays up, so no obstructions. So the pulley for the the AC clutch pulley for this one is not working fine. It's making a noise, so I think the AC clutch is busted on this truck. And looking at this, looks like it was recently worked on, because these nuts or bolts are actually new, or I could see that they're being worked on. So it was maintained. Even the hoses out there, yep, it's not the factory clumps. And no power steering leak compared to my Honda Pilot. So I found the source of the noise on my 2008 Acura MDX. Oh, here it is. Oh, I can't see. Oh, there. Okay, here it is. The sway bar end link has separated from the ball joint, and this is the reason why sometimes when I make a turn, I could hear some noise sometimes, but it's not consistent. So it depends on where this sway bar link is. and I need two of them because the other one is loose. Yep, see, this is the ball and it's separated. It's like one of those cheapo ones you could buy in the parts store. And if you look at this, yeah, these are like this is like the sway bar end link touching this one sometimes. Yep. So yeah, it makes this sound sometimes like that, like a grinding noise. And here's the other one. I get an ADS error sometimes too because of this. The ride height sensor, the arm is broken. This is for the sensor. Yep. Yeah, I don't think I could connect it. This is broken. Too much tension, I think. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Well, I got the other half of the ball joint over here with an impact. I still have the other half here. Yep. Don't have a space for impact here, so yep, I'm gonna do a breaker bar 17mm. Never underestimate a sway bar end link job. It looks so simple, but this one over here, I need to grind it because it's so rusted. The breaker bar, don't have space in here to swing it. The power tool wouldn't work on this area, so the quickest way is to grind it. So I have my grinder in here, cut that in half, the bolt here. Now I'm putting in the new one. I already put the grease in here because I do find it's easier to put some grease before installing it rather than put the grease after installation. Yep, these are like cheap sway bar end links on Amazon. Initially they're like tight that you don't need this center. I think this one is like a Torx. You don't need to hold it to tighten it. Yep. Once it's brand new, but once they get older, yeah. You know, once you tighten or loosen it, they go along with it. So we're gonna do the lower one. This is what a sway bar end link should be. No play, down or up. What I'm going to do now is basically secure this heat shield. This heat shield is making a noise because it's rusted. Making a clunking sound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these clamps. And I'm going to connect two of them to wrap around and see if it will hold it. Yep. Okay, got the clamp in place. Yeah, I have to wrap it around there because of the tight space. Now I'm going to cut the extra. So got it cut. So this is the extra. Yeah, there should be no dangling pieces of clamp in there. So another bad. I think the end link here, the sway bar end link is good, but the bushing for this is bad. Yep. This shouldn't be this loose. So I need bushings. Yep. And interesting. This should have like a, oh, they cut off the wire. Yep. So there's really no point. No point in doing the sensors. Yep, this was replaced with ordinary shock. So today I'm going to replace the inner fender, which is actually broken on this side. This area is actually missing. Yep, there should be like a guard in here. So looking at the front, it's kind of loop-sided. And then at the same time, we're gonna replace the oil filter and oil. And hopefully that will probably fix my check engine oil level. If not, yep, we're gonna replace that oil pressure sensor over there, or oil pressure sensor switch. Yep, but before doing that, we'll try change the oil first. So if you look at this, got the new brake line, a brake hose, and then my heat shields for the catalytic is actually clamped together so that, you see, oh, I cannot pinpoint it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Yep, see that clamp over there? Yep. Basically, that makes a grinding noise. So sometimes it doesn't show up, sometimes it does, and it's annoying. They might do the same thing on the fronts too. I've got the 17mm bolt out, and it's now draining slowly. I think it's the last drops. Yep. And the oil is dirty. Oh, time to get the oil filter. So I'm just using a plier. Yep. Then, yep. There we go. Very easy with the tire remove, but you can do it even with the tire in place though. Look at the Kia Kilo. Dabbing some oil in the gasket, the rubber gasket here. Time to put the oil filter. But you need to clean that one first and make sure that there's no rubber gasket. Okay, got the I used to buy the Ford or the Motorcraft oil filters before for Honda, but they're not in stock in Walmart. So yeah, this $7 one from actually is also pretty good. Yep. It's still like dripping some oil. Oh, while it's doing that, I'm going to change the this one. Yep, gonna remove these clips over here, over there, on that side. I think this one was screwed. Yeah, and there's 10mm here, and clips like all the way there, and to the mud guard too. There's some screws in there. Okay, I got the drain bolt put back in, and this is my oil. I think it takes like 4.5 quarts. So I'm gonna fill this up. There, it's 5W20 high mileage, full synthetic. Okay, so slowly pulling in. Yeah, I got some spillage on the side doing this. Yep, the level looks good. Yeah, I think it's not focusing well, but I could see the level like on the crosshatch area. Yep, just above just above the mid. Yep, that's now good. I'm topping it off. Yep. Okay, almost done removing it. So there are 3 screws for this mud guard. Yep, then forgot to take this out. So we got the inner fender installed. Yep. I was able to reuse some of the what they call that, clips in here. Yep. And then the 3 screws in here for the mud guard. Time to put on the wheel. Well, this proves that my TPMS is actually working. Yep. I need a new tire. New tire needed. Crap. Oh boy. Where did I get this? So it looks like my wheel balancer is probably right, because it's going there, which means that this is heavier on this side and I'm missing some weights in here. So yeah, I think the weight should have here. So this tire is not balanced at all. Nice sound when you take out the valve thing. Let it go. Well, this Harbor Freight bead breaker is a tight fit for this size of tire, 245/60 R80. I need to remove that piece over there so that it will accommodate this size. But yeah, it did break the bead. Okay, perfect.